Okay. If you are good in algebra, this question can be done in round 1, else can be shifted to the round 2. It says let S be a set of all integral values of k such that this equation holds true, right? Now if I simplify this equation, this is k into k minus 8 mod is less than 33 and greater than 15. Okay. If I do a little bit of fit and trial and I place k is 1, it would be 1 into minus 7, invalid case because it will be only 7, not more than 15. If I place this is 2, this is 2 into minus 6, minus 12, 12 out. Similarly, if I place 3 into 5, 15. If I place 4, this is 4 into minus 4, that is 16, a valid case. So the value of k can be 4. Similarly, I can observe the value of k is minus 2 and the value of k feasible is 10. I cannot have any other value of k apart from these three. Okay. Now, here this equation ax square plus bx plus c is formed where a, b, c are distinct numbers, okay, belonging to the set S. So set S contain only three numbers, 4, minus 2 and 10, and A, B, C are distinct. So obviously if A is something, B is A is say 10, B is minus 2 or C is 4 or any order. If the discriminant of the equation thus formed, discriminant is D, capital D, and we know the value of D is B square minus 4AC. I want this term to be maximum. It can only happen if B is maximum number. Among the three numbers 4, minus 2 and 8, 4, minus 2 and 10, the B can have 10 provided I want D maximum. So I can guarantee that the B should be 10 for D maximum and the value of A or C would be minus 2 or 4 in any order. Now I need to calculate the value of A into C. It is minus 8 upon B, which is 10. So obviously my answer is minus 0.8. So this can be done in less than 2 minute time. It should be done in round 1.